Mwanchumo rigereria wensoko TV mambiende engia yeri tukeri gari ya 10 asumotinye gokano mwaka gwe chile fuibere 25 na rimono kugena kwane kwa bokire bya kwagendere bya kurano sia sore asemambia ya bono na inde tokomera na asembio na bwo ngendera tukubati ensoko TV ko roli tukuri agachake twikera bono igana ni bukwarigania asomoro biri yoyega gwetero bini go chakera bono chinsa inyene chira ikenge chetere go Afrika ya moche wekera chinsa isana ne moche bono boso asoko morekera mangana ao ayuagendere to kwarekana emambia ya bono ya itira na bwo yara chiko bwati tusanga so bwa mwetera asenchire mo tanda wekera Facebook na wega sensemo area ya YouTube soko TV namba ya mawasiliano mambia ya bona na mono yuko chiko tumeka ase ujumbe yage nyinga na bwe wakesi mina moneka tuko so soko kwanira mangana bwatikene nechisemi emambia ya bona iguru yomuruberio omugima bwetisemi omanyekaine buna CBE gosabange tokora tabana competence based education na wega sensemo yende CBC esingencho kwikerboni gabuno toreboni gama kunganya kurase system eri nkoro ya 844 system aina turacho kwandira asobwagare urubiro yunga yekire gwikira boniga makonguki agenderete koene kiwana bwo ya serikali na raliaya agenderete gwikirania wetera aso murubiro kwerekina chisemi nchiri gutigara magiga imense yecha Kenya rwego mworokiwa konyorari amaigerio ariagani tena mbani gere noti isano na ibere isano na isato isano ne momara gatano omwero beka tusange ase obwamo bari bakwanikina mariyogini chibichangu wikirare karatugendera tukosanga ase obwamo ngamo na Joshua na boiga sensemo yende oyo monyekaine una director Zak Egeteriane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chakane mambia bono ni gukungusana na kwene kigwe gatia bamenyi bagutumike chiro ya Ramula ime county ya Siaya n'abanyanyimbo ba GSU kiokia irera abantu babere gusiria obugima n'abandi gutigara ne chingoma ao ukungusana nokwo ni gwachire chinga cy'umuruberio orao kunganya bamenye korwa endemero yo koya edahabu gokorekana ensemeyo bamenye abo ni gobangire kunganya na koirera ukorobekana kubwatia ukubona koirero kungusana na egati y'abanyanyimbo n'abamenye bensemeyo ekikereta abantu babere gusiria obugima bwabo tiango turarigereria naralia yagendera tukura sensemeyo.
Diambo Jiro, I'm a human rights defender from this community. My community has been targeted by the DCI. They have been harassing leaders here, community organizers here, and the general population here. And last 2 weeks ago, they arrested 2 individuals and charged them on malicious grounds. On Friday last week, they arrested 2 community leaders here, and up to date, those young men are in Yala Remand Police Station. Yesterday, more than 1,000 police officers came here on unknown mission to the people. There were more than 7 Land Cruisers. There were more than 2 lorries. And what has happened? The police provoked the people. They shot dead 3 in the citizens here, 2 at 11, and 1 in the evening. And the police burnt down torched 5 houses. They went to that shop there, entered a food kiosk, and ate all the food without paying. They also went to the nearby shop, broke in, and drank all the soda and took away property. Pale Mali parties and miners, they also went there, destroyed the mining equipment for the artisan miners. And what have they done also? Which is very, very painful. Police are moving today from house to house, picking people and beating them. Na tunasema labda watuue wote ndio wakanyage hapa, labda watumalize wote ndio watanusa gold hapa.
Mimi kwa majina ni William Moricho. Mimi ni mwenyekiti ya wenye mashamba wakaaji wa area hii. Nataka niseme hii issue imechukua muda. Na nilisawasilisha malalamishi ya watu wa area hii kotini. Nataka niheshimu mahakama. Na kama hawawezi kuheshimu kama mahakama vile naona kazi yao ikiendelea, ndio inaleta tatizo na inaleta tatizo hata zaidi. Ningeomba serikali ya Kenya hii itumie sheria. Serikali itumie sheria kwa njia inayofaa. Sio kuja kuchokoza watu alafu kuwaua.
Mimi naitwa Bernard Owino, among of the residents here. Now, sasa mimi ni victim vile naongea. Naishi hapa karibu. Hata jana hivi waliingia kwangu, wana break. wanaingia kwa nyumba, wana break. Wakisa break, wakipata mtu wanapiga, wanatoa nje. So hiyo tena ni uongo wanatumia. Kama nisikia ofisa anasema ati kuna tractor ilichomwa kwa station. That was a big lie. Tractor ilichomwa kwa station, tractor ilichomwa nje. Na ni sababu ila hasira ya wananchi. Tractor is it belonged to one of the officers.
I'm Seth Baraka Ochieng. I'm the area MCA of East Game, and you're much aware that there's unrest within my ward. I want to say that there were chaos yesterday, and I must report that some youths were shot dead by the police. Then at night, there are some people who retaliated, and they went and set ablaze about 6 houses. At night, there's also one boda rider by the name Ochieng who was attacked and was cut and is now in Sagam Hospital. There's also one resident of Ramula called Omore who was attacked with also another child. They're also in the hospital. This has emanated due to the issue that there's a gold within my ward. Today in the morning, I woke up in the morning, I wanted to go and address media so that we will call that unrest so that it will end. But before I will even get to the center, I met lorries that were carrying the GSU. And the situation back there on the ground, Ramula is a no-go zone. I was forced to run away with all my security apparatus. I don't know where some of them are. Right now, I had to run away towards Eseme, and because I could not address my people on the ground, I sought a refuge within this assembly and my colleagues so that I can inform you that we don't need to die so that the gold need to be mined. We don't need to kill anybody. Whatever is happening right now in Ramula, where the GSU are getting into the houses and even beating our mothers, beating people that have no crime. How I wish that the government or the person who gave them that order will use intelligence and know the culprits or the criminals that they want. Because on behalf of my people of Ramula, I want to tell you, we are not into any war with anybody. I want to call upon anybody who may be fueling any violence from any angle. Ask yourself, what do you gain when innocent citizens are killed? What do you gain, or what will we gain after we are all killed and then the gold is mined when we are not there? So I want to call upon anybody who is interested in this issue of gold, that as a representative of the people of Ramula, I want to say I have made one step back. Kindly, don't allow my people to be killed. There are many ways of solving issues. If the gold is so good that will help everybody, let us have an approach that will include everybody and not making people to die and others to benefit after that. I want to condemn even those citizens who are taking the law into their hands by going to touch houses of your fellow community members. Two wrongs do not make a right. Kindly let us be friendly. Let us sort ways in which we can make this issue to come to an end and people live in peace. As of now, I don't know even how people are going to get into their normal life. The situation is not good, and I want to call upon the commander who sent the GSU on the ground. I want to tell the person who did that it doesn't need to go to that level. We don't need to be beaten. I just plead and call upon all stakeholders that let people come together. Let the investor and anybody who has interest in this issue of gold not use my local people or the citizen to fight amongst themselves. After they are dead, there's nothing that we are going to benefit. So it's very, very, very saddening. And to me, I am not happy about what is going on. And because I cannot address this media back at home, I said I need to come here and say that I condemn any act of impunity that is happening to my people by any other citizen attacking a fellow citizen or any government apparatus killing their own people. Kindly, let us be human enough and address this issue amicably so that everybody, be it the county government, the national government, and the community itself, should benefit, because that is our ancestral land. And people need to talk, and people agree and have a way forward.
It's a very interesting thing. These are Ramula people, and it's a country that's being governed by the authority that's capable of doing anything. We have county commissioners, we have county commanders, and these are Ramula people. Why do we kill people in their own land for the sake of somebody getting gold? There's a way that these things can be handled, but not in a brutal manner that is being done. These are Ramula people. They are there. That is their home. So the authority should also take the authority to make sure that everything is done. The people who are involved, gold or whatever, these are game people. They should be there and they should be protected. The people there, some of them cannot go to their homes. Some were found when they have gone to purchase some of their things in Rwanda, and they cannot go home back just because of there is no law in Ramula. I'm sure that the government we have is capable of doing what they are supposed to do. Let them protect the Ramula people and not to get their blood and also to get their gold. Let gold, people should sit down. If it is gold, they sit down and not killing them. Thank you.
That it is fireworks in Ramula. And our message is people should not pay such a heavy price by losing their lives, losing their homes, their properties. It is not worth it. Let us use methods that would ensure peace and harmony ensues after this operation. And I want to advise whoever is behind this that you are doing more harm by creating violence where there is peace. Because at the end of the day, the method that you apply today will determine the success of the business tomorrow and in the future. And let the world know that we are not ready to see people die and the homes touched, lives lost, just for us to have mining continue. And we are saying it has been tested elsewhere, that when people sit, communities sit amongst themselves, and with the investors, business can be successful.
Asense moyende serikali nigeira chikoeka chibilioni ya chimi 350 nomo ase county ya Nairobi yoka eriko egwikirani bwagachi wechinyomba chiri gorire inse obwagachi bwechichiro ase ogosibio rochirwa Nairobi erikoreta monchirolio asomucho monene o Nairobi ase nkwani aye imeyobwa katikati bwomucho Nairobi omuraiwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigoboiga kwanire ngana yokoba ribo erimo na kubeka obogesa kwense mochinga kyomugabara we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja airerebuna nigo serikali county ya Nairobi era chiko endera kukwatana na serikali nene erigo ikirania amagendero ase omucho monene bwense.
Na nimefika hapa leo kukubaliana na wawakilishi wa wananchi wa city yetu ya Nairobi, na tumekuja kukubaliana vile Nairobi itasonga mbele. Nairobi hoye! Nairobi hoye! Sikizeni watu wa Nairobi. Nairobi is not just another county. Nairobi is the capital city of the Republic of Kenya. Nairobi is the face of the people of Kenya. Na ndio sababu tumekubaliana ya kwamba national government itafanya kazi na county government ya Nairobi kuhakikisha ya kwamba hii city yetu ya Nairobi, kama ni takataka tunasafisha, tunajenga barabara mpya, tunaondoa maji taka kutoka Nairobi, tunaweka mataa katika city yetu ya Nairobi, na tunahakikisha kwamba city yetu ya Nairobi iko na usalama, wananchi wanaweza kutembea, wanaweza kufanya kazi na wanaweza kufanya biashara bila ya kuangaishwa. Nairobi hoye! Nairobi hoye! Mimi nawaambia watu wa Nairobi, ile makubaliano tumekubaliana na County Assembly ya Nairobi imeidhinisha, kumaanisha wawakilishi wa wananchi wa Nairobi wamekubaliana ni tufanye mambo matano ya muhimu. Ya kwanza ni kuhakikisha ya kwamba tunaweka mataa 1,100 hapa Nairobi. Kila sehemu ya Nairobi iwe na mataa, ndio tuhakikishe wananchi wanaweza kutembea, wanaweza kwenda kazini, wanaweza kufanya biashara, wasisumbuliwe na ukosefu wa usalama. Jambo la pili, tumekubaliana ya kwamba barabara zile ziko ya matope Nairobi, kilomita 247 mpya ijengwe katika mji wetu wa Nairobi, ndio wananchi wa Nairobi wasihangaishwe na msongamano ya magari, wasiende nyumbani wakitumia sewage, wasiende nyumbani wakipitia barabara ambayo haina usalama. Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie hiyo kazi ya kujenga barabara mpya tayari imeanza. Mimi nitatembea mji huu ili muone ya kwamba kazi ya kutengeneza barabara mpya Nairobi inasonga mbele. Jambo la tatu, tumekubaliana hapa Nairobi ni kuondoa takataka kutoka Nairobi neighborhoods, kwa sababu Nairobi is choking with waste, na tumekubaliana county government ya Nairobi tayari imeweka sahini kandarasi, na tumehakikisha ya kwamba takataka in the next 6 months you will see a different Nairobi. In the next 6 months you will see a different Nairobi. Na mimi nataka niwashukuru wote ambao wamekubaliana na sisi.
Leo ni siku ya historia katika taifa letu la Kenya. Hakuna siku ambapo rais tangu wakoloni wawe Kenya, rais wa Jamhuri wa Kenya kufika katika county assembly yoyote katika taifa hii. Mmefurahi kuona rais wetu? Wangapi wamefurahi kuona rais wetu, rais wetu, rais wetu? Leo ni siku ya rais, na leo ilibidi aje atueleze ili watu waelewe kinaga ubaga ya kuwa Nairobi sio county yoyote ingine. Nairobi ni capital city ya Kenya, na kwa sababu Nairobi ni capital city ya Kenya, mimi kama gavana wenu, si mlinichagua? Mlinichagua mkaniambia niwasakanyie, mkaniambia niwatafutie. Nilikuwa na budget ya bilioni 30, nimeongezea 80 zaidi. Nimetafuta sijatafuta. Tuendelee ama tusiendelee? Tuendelee ama tusiendelee? Tumekubaliana na rais wetu ya kwamba tutashirikiana kuongeza ile Nairobi inapata, kwa sababu Nairobi haiwezi kuwa tu kwa mgao kama kaunti zote zingine 46. Nairobi inahitaji vitu zaidi, si ni kweli? Si vijana Nairobi hawana kazi? Vijana wako kwa dimanga. Mnataka kazi ama mtaki? Si tunataka Nairobi iwe safi. Tumekubaliana na rais, tuko na program ya bilioni 6. Mimi nimeweka bilioni 4, rais ametuongezea bilioni 2. Tumpigieni makofi rais wetu. Tumekubaliana na rais, watoto wetu wanahitaji madarasa, anajenga madarasa. Mimi nalisha watoto wetu kila siku kwa shilingi 5 katika shule zetu zote. Tuendelee ama tusiendelee? Ala, Nairobi oye! Nairobi oye! Tumekubaliana na rais, badala ya kungojea mabarabara miaka mingi, mimi nijenge 10, anatupatia 1000 anatupatia kilomita 300 zaidi. Wapi makofi ya rais? Nairobi oye! Nairobi oye! Ruto oye! Ruto oye! Tumekubaliana tena na rais wetu, hatutaki giza Nairobi. Hatutaki giza. tunaweka mataa ya sola 40,000 ya sola na zingine 60,000, 100,000 ili wamama wetu watembee bila kuogopa kunajisiwa, bila kuogopa kupigwa ngeta. Mimi nauliza tu swali moja, watu wangu wa Nairobi, nauliza swali moja, tunaambiaje rais wetu hapa Nairobi City Center, hapa mchana mbele ya dunia mzima? Tunaambia rais wetu nini? Tunaambia nini? Aendelee ama asiendelee? Ya mwisho kabisa, kwa sababu leo ni siku ya rais, mimi kama gavana wenu nimejitolea kufanya kazi. Nimejitolea kufanya kazi. Mara mingi mimi hunyamaza. Kuna watu wanafikiri wanajua siasa Nairobi hii, tunaangalia na macho. Ila siku tutatoa koti, tukunje shati, tutatoa mbio Nairobi hii. Nairobi hii haitaki ukabila. Nairobi hii haina kabila moja. Nairobi hii ina kabila 43. Tunashukuru wenzetu wa ODM wako hapa. Tunashukuru wenzetu wa UDA wako hapa. Sisi tuko broad base Nairobi county hii. Na broad base haifungii mtu yote nje. Kila mtu waingie Nairobi oye. Na wapenda na wadhamini na walombo to. Mbarikiwe.
Arenayo ense ya Kenya na muruko nigo yabikire seyo kuigwana iriko chikubwatirana ase chinsemo au egati yabo kubwatirana asa mangana bwatikaine ne chisemi oboremi obochenu gusira abangina nabo igo mangana ndabwatikaine na magendero abwase barachikubwatirana ase chinsemo 10 ase ensemo ase eseye eyo yabekwa gose yara uno waziri wa mangana chinse chesko Musalia Mudavadi nabo igo waziri wa mangana yechiche chesko wense ya Morocco Nasser Baurita nigo boigo bakwanire amangana abwatikane no bwamate obuyahe gatie chinse echigabire tiango tararatengera.
At the regional and multilateral fora, we have reaffirmed our shared commitment to strengthen cooperation with a view to advancing common African positions, promoting peace and security, and supporting sustainable development. Towards this end, Kenya supports the United Nations framework as an exclusive mechanism to finding a lasting and durable political solution to the dispute over the Sahara issue with the relevant United Nations Security Council resolutions on this matter. The exclusivity of the United Nations in this political process remains pivotal, and we reaffirm support to the UN Security Council resolutions, particularly Resolution 2756 of 2024. We recognize Morocco's ongoing cooperation with the United Nations Secretary General and his personal envoy to advance the political process on the basis of relevant Security Council resolutions. We also welcome the growing international consensus and momentum led by His Majesty King Mohammed VI in favor of the autonomy plan presented by the Kingdom of Morocco as the only credible and realistic solution to resolve the dispute over the Sahara. We consider this autonomy plan as a sustainable approach to the resolution of the Sahara issue and intend to cooperate with like-minded states to foster its realization. Following the adoption of the United Nations Security Council Resolution 2797, which enshrines the autonomy plan under the Moroccan sovereignty as the basis for settlement of the dispute, Kenya endorses the efforts of the United Nations Secretary General and his personal envoy to facilitate and conduct negotiations based on the autonomy plan with a view to achieving a just, lasting, and mutually acceptable solution. In conclusion, Kenya and Morocco share a vision of an Africa that is connected, self-reliant, and confident on the global stage. Today's outcomes are a statement of intent that the two of the continent's most forward-looking nations are choosing to build together. I look forward to the next session of the Joint Commission to be held in the Kingdom of Morocco on dates to be agreed through diplomatic channels. To really thank the two teams from Morocco and from Kenya for working diligently to enable us to execute this number of MOUs. In fact, I think out of the joint sessions we've had with other countries, I think this is the largest single signing that I can recall. So that means that there was a lot of commitment and a lot of focus from both sides, and I really want to thank you for that. The other thing is just to reiterate that we want to work very, very closely together. Competition is healthy, and even brothers compete. So we shall continue pulling each other along the way. The most important thing is that you kept on saying that if you move forward, we shall also be moving forward, which means there's no going backwards, which is a very good thing, that we all move in the right direction. Our two countries, through the leadership, have given us direction, and it's our duty to implement and to ensure that the private sector between the two countries work very, very closely together so that we can achieve even better results.
First of all, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to my brother Dr. Musalia Mudavadi and to the government and the people of Kenya for their warm hospitality and sincere welcome. We just finished a very successful first session of our joint commission. Successful through its outcome, besides the 11 agreements which my brother mentioned. I think that we agreed on some concrete steps to strengthen our economical cooperation, deepen our political dialogue, and facilitate people-to-people exchange between our two countries.
Like his brother, President Ruto, His Majesty the King firmly believes in Africa's ability to shape its own destiny and overcome its numerous challenges through genuine strategic partnerships among African nations, within the framework of South-South cooperation, driven by Afro-optimism and confidence in the continent's capabilities and its human and natural wealth. Excellencies, following up on your remarks, my brother, I wish to affirm our strong conviction that this joint commission represents a renewed impetus for our bilateral cooperation. We are confident that Moroccan-Kenyan relations will witness significant progress in the coming years. In conclusion, I reiterate the sincere thanks and appreciation of the Kingdom of Morocco, its government and delegation, to the government of Kenya for the warm welcome and generous hospitality extended to me and to my delegation. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. I am pleased to announce that the Republic of Kenya and the Kingdom of Morocco have today successfully concluded the inaugural session of the Kenya-Morocco Joint Commission of Cooperation. I, together with my counterpart, His Excellency Mr. Nasser Bourita, who is with us here, Minister for Foreign Affairs, African Cooperation, and Moroccan expatriates of the Kingdom of Morocco, we have elevated our bilateral relations into a strategic and structured engagement. Justice, health, fisheries and aquaculture, gender equality. In addition, Morocco has also continued to support free eye clinics where hundreds of patients have benefited from life-changing surgical interventions. I can assure you that just comparatively, if you are to look at the security exchanges, that is where the capital markets are, the beacons in Africa are South Africa, Morocco, Kenya, and Egypt. These are really the financial centers in the capital markets. So when we look at it from that perspective, we all need to work together because we have some hub status, some pivotal status in our own rights in different areas, which can be very, very useful in actualizing the Africa Continental Free Trade Area and broadening into Africa trade and integration. So we have a journey. From here to Morocco, it's just about 6 hours if you are to fly directly from Nairobi, Jomo Kenyatta Airport to Rabat or Casablanca. It should take you 6 hours. Now, I don't know how long it will take because I think most routes have been through the Middle East. Even then, it normally takes, almost 10 hours from Morocco to, say, Dubai or Doha, and then another 4 to 5 hours to Nairobi. So you can imagine if we successfully conclude the BASA agreement, then it will only take you 6 hours, and you are in Morocco. So we have very, very great potential to change our fortunes.
Umugavana we county ya Machakos wavinya ndeti nigaruro kubori gukiasa serikali yanene kwa ene kibuna nko bwatukere kibese gukiasa ki county asobwango gotebana gotayo eriko konye gosira kisemi asti county eriko ene kibuna kisemi tichiri koremara wavinya nigo ase ensemo yae gose wavinya niga ensemo yae airero buna bwango igana chiko bwatuka kibese kibasari gukiasa ki school insi echiwiki bere korbono.
Capitation is a big problem. I know all the teachers are asking when is governor giving her bursary because they need the money. I've got 120 million which is coming to the schools in the next 2 weeks. Kwa hivyo maneno ya bursary yaangaliwa capitation, tuangalie from the national government. I know there's been a lot of transition. The transition that has been there, we really need to ensure that the money comes on time. Schools have problems like counties. I can tell you for free. Money comes late to the counties, just the way the money comes late to the schools. Then it becomes a problem. Kwa hivyo maneno ya pesa wa shule wa jamani tuhakikishe from the national government pesa imefika shule na imefika on time. We are dealing with young children. These children are also not patient. When they don't eat, when they cannot get what they want to get or the proper education, nowadays they don't fear. They just tell you as it is. These are teachers from Machakos County, our principals, and as they've told you, I've always worked very well with them. We work in collaboration. The children that they are teaching are our children. And as me being the mother of Machakos, I have to be there to support them in everything that they do. And they know also I do not interfere with their work. I let teachers do their work. I don't like interfering with their work. If there's an issue, we call each other, we talk, and we sort it out. Because for me as the governor of Machakos, I should be able to give them a conducive environment to continue training teaching our young men and women. And as you have been told, there's also an issue of drug abuse and alcoholism. As a county government, we are willing and ready to support our teachers who have such issues so that at least we can take them for rehabilitation, take care of them, counsel them, and then they go back to the society to do what they are supposed to be doing. We have worked very well with the teachers, with the Ministry of Education. Anything they ask for or whatever, we are always there for them. Yeah? They are here to take care of our children. And the best thing that we can do is for us to support the Ministry of Education to ensure that our children get what they're supposed to be getting. As we go for the holiday season, we know most of our children have gone back home. We're asking the parents, please, the teachers have been responsible, they've taken care of our children. Now they have handed over the children to you. Please, parents, be responsible, take care of our children. Vile walimu walitupatia watoto wakiwa, muwarudishe shule wakiwa hivyo. Na mzazi, msiseme ati mzazi hawezi, unajua, their parents nowadays do think that their children can control them. No, these children don't know much, you know, hawajui. Na ukiwachilia mtoto hivi tu, mtoto ataenda akipotea. What you need to do is sit them, talk to them and show them how they should be able to live in this world. There are so many people out there who are ready to spoil our young boys and girls. So parents, please let us be vigilant, because the teachers have been very, very vigilant in the schools. They've taken care of the children. Our children are our now and our future, so let's take care of them.
My name is Stephen Makau Kavuvu, the principal Mayuni Secondary School and the Kisha Chair, Machakos County. Tumekuwa na kongamano hapa Mombasa ya principals wote wa Machakos. This is an annual event ambayo tunakuja kufanya audit and interrogate issues more particularly about education. Na tunashukuru kwamba more than 350 principals are here with us, and we are really honored also to have our chief guests, Her Excellency the Governor of Machakos County, Mheshimiwa Wavinya Ndeti. Amekuwa pamoja nasi, ametembea nasi kwa miaka 4 kwa sababu amekuwa ameshikilia mambo sana ya elimu katika county yetu. Tuko hapa aswa kwa sababu ya this new curriculum, the CBE. Tumekuja kulivalia juga hili swala la curriculum mpya, na tutakuwa na watu kadhaa ambao wataweza kuongea nasi aswa tuweze kulifafanua na kulielewa zaidi jinsi tutakavyoweza kuiendeleza katika mashule yetu. We are really grateful that the governor has been with us. Ametusupport kwa mambo ya bursaries, ametusupport kwa mambo ya maji, kwa matanki ya maji, amekuwa akitupatia facilities za county tutumie kama ministry ama walimu. Tumekuwa tukipata msaada kutoka kwake, even sometimes tukiwa na michezo amekuwa akitupatia hata ambulances za kuweza kubeba watoto wetu wakati wameumia, and we are really grateful that we are partnering with her to make sure that education moves to the next stage in our county.
We are here at the Principals Conference, Machakos Principals Conference, and today we have all agreed that the principals are doing a greater job than what it's assigned in their letters. They are doing the work of the Ministry of Education for free. And we have urged the ministry, we are urging the Ministry of Education to pay the principals for the managerial job that they are doing for them, accountants, and they are also counselors. We are also appreciating that the Commission has rewarded the principals in a great way, and we are also saying that the policemen have also been, they have also received enhanced salaries. Let the salaries of teachers and the principals in particular be aligned to those of their counterparts in the other sectors.
I'm Professor David Mulwa. I chair the Machakos County Education Board. We've come here to this place so that we may be able to take stock of what we've done during the year. I must acknowledge that last year is a year that we must say that we are celebrating success, because that is a year where the performance in our schools improved. The number that is qualified to be admitted into universities also went up. And in general, we must say that there was a lot of peace in our schools. Our prayer is that this year we'll even be able to perform better and to probably have our schools peaceful. And in the long run, we will pray that our improvement this time will be more than 1.0.
Madam Governor, we are happy also. We've seen your support to our schools, where you've given bursaries to our very needy kids. And just like the chair bursary committee has said, we are very optimistic that those very needy cases will be assisted so that they can be able to stay every other time in school, because their fees will be cleared or subsidized.
Magiga yomo seneta we county ya Vihiga Godfrey Ososi gosaganwa na gotigiro chingoma aoime county ya Kisumu abara ikurunsemo ya United Alternative Government nigo bagikirege korekyo chingaki ba mubwataniri umurikyo manena se wizara y'oburendi bw'ime Raymond Omolo kababosyo ase okwarigania yonsi nigo baganiro Omolo aikwebosi we bunge ya Senate eriyo koringori wa chingaki kyombe kya DCI kyaba bwatukiro se kyaba bwatire kyabwatukira marieta y'abantu bonsi abo babete bakomusagana abwase batatu wikiraboni.
A phenomenon we have been raising as the United Alternative Government. We raised it with the IG, Inspector General of Police, the phenomenon of goonism, and where goons work with government. And instead of having a government that is whose cardinal duty is to ensure the security of every Kenyan, wherever you may live, whichever part of the country you may go, your security must be guaranteed by this government. But when the government gets into bed with goons, you no longer have a responsible government under our constitution. What you have is a goonverment, goons and government united as one. In this case, the goons that were used, we now have evidence that are known goons in Kisumu City, and their sponsor is known. And from the evidence we have received, we have confirmed that these goons, whose faces are clearly caught on CCTV, are part of PS Raymond Omolo's team. They have been working with him, they have been seen with him, and even yesterday when they attacked Senator Otsotsi, those who were sent were told that, oh, these are watu wa mkubwa, these are Raymond Omolo's boys, we can't touch them. We are demanding that PS Raymond Omolo resigns. He is the PS in charge of internal security. He cannot be the PS in charge of goons. And we are not just talking about the goons that attacked our brother. We're also talking about the goons that also attacked Best Western Hotel in Kisumu. They are the same goons sent by the same PS. The goons that came to Malava to attack us, they were hired goons from Kisumu. In 20 hours, they came to Malava, attacked the Honorable Seth Panyako and I and our convoy. And all these goons are known, and they are sponsored, and they are financed by none other than PS Raymond Omolo. We want to demand for his immediate resignation and the immediate arrest of these goons, and justice to be done for Senator Otsotsi. So let's not tribalize this thing, and let's not trivialize it. It is a menace that is going to affect us and the coming general election if it's not addressed now. Goonism is a threat to our security, is a threat to our democracy.
Again, it's a sad day in our country. We've seen a series of attacks on leaders. It started with the Kisumu Hotel, our brother Raphael Tuju. We were attacked as Linda Mwananchi during our rallies, both in Kitengela and in Kakamega. And those who are trying to single out this event, I see some sponsorship across social media to try and portray it as a love affair. When these goons were paraded in Kisumu Airport, and the entire Kisumu Airport was full of goons, what love affair was there? They are the same goons who wanted to attack the entire team of Linda Mwananchi on our way to Kakamega. And they seems to have a command center, and this goon seems to be all over the country. I think it's no longer business as usual, and as leaders of this country are calling The president himself is the, let's not even talk about the dog, they are the owners of these dogs, is the President William Ruto. You are spoiling our country. This is the democracy that brought you to power. Just respect Kenyan democracy. It allows people to express themselves. This is the democracy and the freedom of expression and association that Baba Raila fought for so many years. Why do you want to dance over this democracy Baba fought for while claiming to preserve his name? It is a shame, and trying to pit one tribe against the other. This is not a war of tribes.
We have condemned, and we are condemning the actions against Senator Osotsi. And these are people who have now been identified. They are known. They have committed a criminal act on the face of everyone and on the face of the law. And the IG and the DCI boss have allowed a lot of crime like this to go unattended and without prosecution. I'm really challenging the IG this time around and his police system to make arrests, and we want to see justice being done for Osotsi, and that such other acts stopped all over the country, because these goons are hired everywhere. And anyone, on a lot of occasions, Shouty one time is either kidnapped or beaten up the same way Osotsi was done. And therefore, it's a time now we want to see action. We want to see them in court. And in fact, this is attempted murder on Osotsi. And the goons should not be charged with a lesser offense. And in the worst case scenario, for those young people being misused like this, you should know that in an event somebody dies, you'll be charged with murder or manslaughter. And this runs out of the injuries. If they run 360 days, you will be liable as a person. So we want to see arrests, we want to see these people charged, and we want to see this end. Finally, for every careless act like this William Ruto is doing, you are losing 1 million votes. Now you are 1 million votes less for attacking Osotsi.
I personally want to see what action the IG and his team will take against those officers who assaulted Raphael Tuju in the presence of a senior counsel, because we are officers of the court, with my own eyes. And I know them, I saw them. Now it is Senator Osotsi. We want to tell the people of Vihiga County that your senator is okay. We have seen him, and as my brothers have said, nobody should try to bring a wedge between the Luo community and the Luhya community, because these people live together. And it's very easy to see the plot. It will not work. No Kenyan community will agree to be separated from any other community, not just the Western region, anywhere else. If we do not embrace the culture of political tolerance, this country will be blown apart. A classic example of political tolerance was yesterday, when Gachagua told William Ruto to his face the truth. That is political tolerance. They didn't beat Gachagua. Tomorrow we are going to Kikuyu. And Gachagua gave, if people want a notice to a police station, Gachagua gave notice to the president that the United Alternative Government will be in Kikuyu constituency on Saturday.
This is a very serious problem. And we are lucky we are now starting to have experiences on how the government can respond to this kind of situation. I want to ask the security organs, and by security organs, I don't mean Kipchumba Murkomen, because we know where his heart is. He's the same one who asked that youth be shot for showing their preferences on public discourse. So I'm talking about the DCI and the other investigative arms of government to apply the same efficiency they applied when our colleague Charles Ongonda lost his life. They moved very fast and immediate arrests were made. Because the CCTV footage is there, we want to see arrests. The governor of Siaya, Governor Orengo, is on record mentioning the actual names of some of the goons. What more can members of the public do in assisting the police to carry out investigations? We want quick action, and as my leader, Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, has said, PS Raymond Omolo and CS Murkomen are in public office. When you are in public office, you are open to scrutiny. You are open to oversight. You cannot be slandered when you are in public office. We are therefore saying that they have fallen a full mile away from good performance, and therefore both of them should vacate office.
Mimano mwanchu murili ya soko chawaren soko TV boroso bomo gusina boyo kubwati murobiri gakuru muchaka no wikira boni kana nini gotukura sembrichi duka na nyuma yo sembrichi duka ningirane no mugeni astrachi wasoa asuko kwanira na kumurikira aya bwatikine ne chisemi na mono murobiri we chisemi umanyika inebuna CBE toskare ne TV.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. Ine nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba Triolege chinga kichonsi ebenga kieliberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe chanika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chipetiri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetiri uratumie asigari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuro.
Tunapopitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikipata shida kabla hii warranty ishi kwa namna gani?
Ikikumbwa kabla ya warranty tutakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka na battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wakuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Obutindiro bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore.
Asamarieta ngoroko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togokonya abantu bari amaruna amaryogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togokonya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwende university ongere gotumia maruna maryogo yogotindi amosariri wono yaikireke wango guikarwari kwanya oroyo onde orenge kwende kanisa otigire onge yakonywa maryogo yogotindi na amaru abasari eryo twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochaso obugima obi
asamange twakirisimia namba 07068408 444 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichibulyo gukora chingatale ichiobutindu.
Omurayi omukuru bwense ya Burkina Faso Thomas Sankara niga tebete nige kuira ekerengo gete kyobo balimo kibirengeralyo eliokolenta amoncheryo ya magenderero asama tukabusyo na kyoge kogera omuseneta Gloria Oruoba erure koba ebalimo yaino aso musimamo y'omutindi akonye kurwanirira omugusi inyora omusike Oruoba niga alinge omuseneta omochorwa wekiama gya serikali gya UDA kurende agesokya kubwatisya omurwaniriria wekerugo ky'oburayi bwense kurwa orogonko rwagusi omusike Dr. Fred Matiang'i abange bakamuruke balimo igoika kaurwe kerugo kyaye kyoboseneta asogotenena nomugusi omwabo nonyabono atabwati emirimo obeire okurwanirira abasubati wekinia kiuchumi koenana ebitamba byobochenu naboigo kurwania chisegi chiegenka bono nigo aboliri omugusi komochora buna omu women representative bwe county ya Kisii asobochori bw'omwaka ogocha elio aire obubalimo bwaye alia sebunge agenderere kurwanirira omugusi emeremeye nigetage omusubati omulemu Oruoba narokwe balimo takumeti kugicha obubalimo obo bokonye kurwanirira omugusi mbuya gutwara omusubati omulemu gose balimo kubwa gutwara omusubati omwoba okoni gesaku oyo nere Gloria Oruoba ebalimo yagusi.
Rumuchomano Nairobi, Kisii, Nyamira, nechingongo chinde chense ya Kenya. Abali kibaitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira yobuikirano. Emanya mange nabo igobwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo chyomugusi. Ensoko TV, oburuso bw'omugusi. Eye n'Ensoko TV, oboroso bw'omugusi.
Murigeria w'Ensoko TV karibu nenda sensemo yega ya kabiri chidekani komine ya mwigoro chisa isano chabono mambia asensemo ya kabira stogo chukwanira kumurikira ayabwatikina ne chisemi ime yense nabo gakarato kwanira umuroberio OCBC gose CBE CBC competence based curriculum gose competence based education oinoro umuroberi tubwataboni gasensemeria yechisemie umuroberi mutangane nigore ngolia o 844 system uyo chageto mwaka welfare ya mochimye kyanda 53 oino rumero wetu bwatu gwikira mwaka gwe chile fuibere na 15 na ibere umuroberi moya ogacha inse yobrayi bwa yomurayo kane bwensi ya Kenya huru mwiga Kenyatta na gwikira boni umuroberi ina rogendere tuikiranibwa na atua nero re serikali ya kire gwikira boni kana bwe miroberi yogendere tukubekwa aina atuchikoligeria ase obwagare abwase karo umuroberi wergo chaka mabori nigari ngamange gwetania amachibu menganye nere yarenge aroro ine gwikira boni ga menganye yo yaribigwe gose bado nabo emenganye yo agendere tugutigara abo aina atuchikwanira na kumurikira asubwagare mambia bono tosanga sobwamo wetera senchero mutanda gwekerero Facebook robega sensemeria YouTube Ensoko TV namba ya mawasiliano aseri boliri yago nabo kwanira mangana au nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isatu isano na isatu isano na mumara gatano mwero beka isatu na kirebya ngaregania otugochiko sangamo nere mambia jabora na bwigo gotokonya gose kwerera asubwagare gocha sore iguru yo murubiri yoyiga OCBE gosa sensemo yende tokora tebana CBC mambia ya bono karibu sana.
Asante sana bwa kirebya asama lile ngoro ku Brian Machoka igonde mwanafunzi wa masters at University ya Nairobi ndigongo para masters ya nesa mangana education planning inde ngerere tikokoro mwako yo yarande bone semester ya omwelio nande ni mbwata a lot of interest asa mangana ya chisemi na kuelesera abantu ase bali batari kunyara ku understand mononki CBC mineti nande kuse nebwate a solution kusama chibu aseme chande menene tubwate Kenya especially samangana unemployment. Yes.
Kero tuguchaka bunora erere omwana omoke kingwerere ugariti kumanyegoro yo muri ubiri uyega OCBC nabo igo etofauti erorega ti umurubiri tu bwato umukoro 844 system naboniga uyega tubwate OCBC nabo igekero keriyo gotema kugweka ni mirubiri yega ebere mbuya kiboro raso lyo mukoro no uyega tubwate bona iga buna inchira yo kubeko borso
litangani ninga ninko erese buna reforms chabere chigo kwalekana sema ngana ejisemi gesa 1919 timetinga kinda kwana seke gusi lakini ku 1919 up to date tuatware chi reforms ange 15 togotema kulingolia mangana ejisemi tutete kuligera lingana ki nsemi ki torabasoko twara buna ba Kenya sirabasoko konyo mo Kenya asikoba productive metete tukuligera economy tumenye kuligereri input esa mangana masomo nkitora koleza masomo tochikunyara guikere market ikigasira se market yali ase after school ku 1919 kere tualenge mangana chikoloni kare gali yo maitosiko inyora bya nya kualigereri ese mangana ya reforms icho ekere amasomo kare galenge ogo in fact ekere ngote makuligereri bya 1919 the education system yalengo igo yalenge aba missionary lakini aba colony go balenge kwenye fund lakini elinde bache ku fund you want to go produce artisans abantu gete balibe technicians abantu bacha okora chigasi chigo fit ebintu bako offer se market kwarali that was 1919 then the chikanya kobachi development also kwenyora before independence system yalenge 4 nsalia then 4 katika bera and then 4 okole pata keto okole bwangu elindo chiko kolega asiali ase mangana aba colony obakolere gas reforms iko chire koletu asa mangana masomo elinde ko kolete ndiko runga equality obom okoleta abantu amu equity na relevance asa mangana ya masomo bwete toko somya abantu bosa utamanye tinki ekerengekenenkereki so that's why tuware chi reforms from 1919 up to 2020 CBC actually CBC is not a new system ya chire bona iga ne lituanyole Kenya litanga ne usikuligerelia 2000 a report nero yo mundo karukirunga COH it was also an education reform COH after anytime there is a reform iko pakotema kuligelingana ki mechando ki ere maega ase system wetu bugate turabase ekogera nturanyora solutions chinyinge ase chi problems tubugate especially monongo tenga epakotema kuligelisa mangana employment because education is relative to productivity so lazima o invest mona ase education na ande lazima invest ase relevant education so that umanye kumanyanga ki vosia ali umuntu kuchiko na chiko nyolegas so that to chiko ko reduce the number of unemployed graduates so 2000 the COH report came yabwate yatete ko suggest a system ya ku ticket total integrated quality qualified I think education system something like that. It was more of CBC because yatakete kuligereri tutete kurwa system eli abantu bale bookish yani umuntu agosoma twige tabu ategete gosoma asinge gosoma yebana batakete kuligeri ngana ki ntu focus ya sema ngane skills ntu focus ya sema ngana chi talent so that you mwana utari konyara masomo utari konyara kumweleke wangu kendi lakini 2000 egasinya kigera abantu bagatebanga babira custom dimono kuchi as 844 system 844 system iliko nyarete tuna Mackay report 1981 it was a presidential working party on education reform together with the nena ntobate next year lingo sen kamunge something like that egacha ku review amangana education but still even after two say system earlier 444 ya I think before independence we still had challenges sasa mangana masomo tukaleta 844 we still face the same challenges because 844 yalenga very broad curriculum ya bwate bakangia kupunguza so that te bwekana mnelia yange nkoro but eventually kaira noise yalenga already bono rand 2000 bakacha bakalengera through kwa report akatebanga to change system we tubeke system we bwate tukulira skill cha banafunzi tuligere capabilities cha banafunzi egasinya abantu bagatea finances nchia lengo bagapinga bagateanga tuanchire 844 mono igotogokia ndoze itikuchio. So then it went again up to 2012. Well, after the constitution proclamation of the constitution of 2010 abantu bakanya kuligereria ibintu style yenyia bagateanga na ki ngakitora kole to change even the education system because bono it came up as an issue because if you are looking at there's a problem that came up to what before independence kwale konyora abantu babere bakolete degree kwende primary education iko bale go compete for the same job isika but bono recently up to 2010 the number had risen to almost 10 abantu ikomi konya gukina bono bakalenga ki tusikukiraiga we are going to have a crisis. How do we solve this matter? We need to have an education system ego chigo koraki ego chigo care the gap. There's something we call the gap, meaning the number of people who are observed as a job market are supposed to be, there's an imbalance between them because the numbers coming out are also many. Abantu bako graduate bana bono school ichiko una sai abantu bako reje n'ichiko sigete ko bara bange
lakini kako kaenda iskomere motei
that was the one of the reasons. Bona bakalengele badangana ki what can we do to change the system? Umuntu ko diambo akaacha ne report yakatanga I have a suggestion. Akaeguliba akaeleza he was a very good professor. Explain akalike reporting ya sana na ero chitenia idea ya CBC. Na ero chitaga teanga bono let us come up with a system ego focus on competence and actually in Kenya bono for the first time tubugate curriculum wibwate lieta. Initially ntu abwate ngento budeki tu abwate
kwa 844
right now it is called competence yani ego bakuligelingana ki what is your potential Kioranyale. That's what they give you. So usikwana kiskuru sahi nabokora abanafunzi bana ba kolege ntukeliyo koraki keliyo konyara. So then there was a challenge again from 2012 umetena liya chagete ko be topic bono around 2017 rieko ba implemented. There's a lady olikoro kwa I think I'm forgetting the name but akachania idea because there was a lot of issues ngana ki CBC ebe kwe in terms of senior school and junior school kwa roche bago tuaro mu kanisa ile nganga yeko beku. That lady had suggested ngana ki CBC especially the junior secondary school ebe domicile dia sechi secondary school lakini bone president ya Kenya because of a lot of pressure yanyorete after 2017 because bone teacher tiko bana ya kagerete ka teacher tiko ba implemented via now recently 2020 I think 2023 after President Assoire President William Ruto which was the third actually presidential. We have only had 3 presidential working party on education reform. Now they moya lenge ya Makei, we have Kamunga I think and then we have now William Ruto. Enero ya chiteko enda deep ekairesa mangana echi challenges to what as education eka address ekamenya kwenda baka interview abantu abange sebinyoro chikanisa chinyagitali so many stakeholders sasa mangana education bakababolingana ki inwe ngakimotagete ngimotagete beke junior secondary school abantu abange sana bagatenga abana banabake mukunyara kubayira secondary school lakini winyole before the government had they didn't have a proper planning kwenye bakachire birasi binge sana se chi secondary school kere secondary kwenye atu class yake mo extra
90 secondary nchi abwate bintu paka
lab that was the thing so but aba iboli na bumete the nini
bara ubali kusema
na ubali kusema aba iboli metena wanafunzi the main stakeholders ba mangana masomo you have to consult them so kere ba boli tukubatenga abana baitu bali kwenda senior school because emyaka babwate nemeke bauchiko ba molested gali bauchiko itu achiko iberu and all that bakatenga ndo okora tigabonto beka bana balia batigare within the primary section lakini bono ekera bagutigara primary section baka recommending a primary school wone tikoro kunga primary school wone ekoro ku comprehensive ichikoro kunga Bono Nairobi Comprehensive, because it has a primary school and junior school. Bono those systems osiko ende school malia abanafunzi bago somoro iko bakora chi emeremo number 1 keiri, because osiko yero reach amochaka ni problem tu abwate very broad. One of our keiri subjects, so that wanafunzi ogochakira grade 2, grade 1, grade 2, grade and all that, na bakubuga to manyangana ki gochivosialia. This is what I'm going to, and by the way, inga abantu batamaiti nekemo CBC has around 3 even to get bitatu bikonye guide litangani umuntu yonyichagete atangana ki lazima muibori ape part of this CBC. The parents must be part and parcel. Abanafunzi lazima babe involved in terms of kuna community service learning, CSL. Yani they should be aware of the what is happening in the community. That's why also kuna school chi nyingi kunya wanafunzi over the weekend, over during the day bakwa busa chipara. It's not a punishment. They are trained to be to love their environment. Banche colleagues, which can colleagues yamo. There's something they call collaboration, which is also one thing kera semangana CBC. So it's collaboration, community service learning, and the parental involvement in CBC. Even the viozi na ibia lete tuamo elinde totuale omwanafunzi yogosoka kurua se skuru ole patriotic omwanafunzi wanchite nsia usikuli the competences bagosoma kurunsa. Buna wono grade 2 okonyaba sa ino ne class by this time antabago karansa. It's very different. It's different from the former system. Dirikale umwalimu galenge kemanyi nerekerege ndongote nalibo sina erera mangana chemistry na ate abanafunzi na
wakora ni wachire,
lakini saa hii abanafunzi basa hii go bari research. You have to give them an opportunity baende ba research. They are supposed to bakorobo tukibwabo ekere bago
bakoletera machibu
bakoletera machibu bona saa hii kero kwa class toliko chigosomi oguchiko tegerangi bago present ukigaran kwa baete chinga kichisa ine
ende kobetiki kobeketiki naki ekigambu yakere ekigambu bekere na boyo kuba orokereri na bono aismo ikere tokorega na
bono challenges inchira abenke especially ase lisabu malia, lakini omaete mechande menge nande ikole tune serikali especially the former government ya lengo ile ndongere balete kere kurunga DLP, digital literacy program, but the hani abanafunzi abange babe informed samangana digital machi computer winyorenga kinero abanafunzi balete tu baetwe chi laptop chi tablet. You know that program costed, it had 2 phases. First phase we abwate yari cost at 1 billion bakawa tuwate chi primary school around 35,000 Kenya ngima by then. So if you remove the private chi around 11 or 12 there, the remaining 23,000 public primary schools, 90% of those primary schools were actually given the tablets. Lakini bono 5% ena mbenke ekabanga nere kumanya gutumike bintu biria kwarorire. And you know it was advantageous in school because during that program nalito about the last mile stima ekagera tukatware stima almost 90% of the schools kabeke stima Kenya ngima. Osiko kuligele yechi school chinyiro ne lisabu imetama itigende pi, it has power because of the idea of DLP. Lakini bono bakati yangana ki the 5% was unable to enroll, like they were unable to use those systems properly. Kiera banyotengana ki omwanafunzi agotumeke ngendokelio tiga maega. Borole nyano mo grade 1 utumeke otiga. So it means like
teramo ya kolete paka keroko gende michinde boni kwa tokonyorana nchiroro.
Yes. So a system area bagacha ki around 2017 before after elections yali bagateanga instead of koena na kiro mwanafunzi yari batete ko monto 1:1, the ratio was 1:1 bagateanga wona yentokora iko toko chinje system yeye tubeke system ngao. And I think to some extent iko generally no we people alenge bwechibesa during that time, because if they enrolled to around 90%
kiskuru nchira go ikaraboni ngoma techitanyo tablet
chitanyo lete
paka lero iga.
Lakini
besero ya soketo kwa sekega chekenen.
Correct. Bono bagaja bagatenga bono intoko kora etoko kana another 60 around 64 billion to aga chike to eko rukungana omnibus lab ni liere fully meaning baka no nyine mwalimu no haralia orosira kanyumba kaime. Imagine that is a primary school Kenya ngima. They paid this money and they also supply they said ba nkubeka bale Kenya ngima. The one lab was to cost 4.5 million. And they never enrolled that system. Chiskuru nchi etikonyora lab. Wikera nchi yakonyora lab.
64 billion
64 billion yegasoka. So kerna alikuwa kesabu yane ngateba if there was proper planning 31 billion Elia sokete ntangani plus 64 billion, that is almost 95 billion. Tell you. Also go divide by 4.5 million, that is around Chiskuru ange 22,000 chere konyore lab ere fully equipped. By now, angantubu ati problem ya labs currently. Nyandi hii kantukalike chikababu na kia lenge. Lakini bono because of manganese rekali kukurumia nini ukucha the effect. So, Chiskuru muna chirichire kenyoro malia, chitabu atia mangane computer, there is a challenge yasa mangano ko implement CBC.
Okay.
But CBC is one of the best curriculum that we are having now.
Ase ensemo yendekero tukurire mangana ya matemu because the assessment yechiko karekana ase 844 system tuabwata matemu kawaida tuabwate chimoki tuabwate bintu binga bure nyo sometimes iskuru cyargo cyamu kwa iguna rero iskuru nkagenda chiro se math competition ekargo se iskuru gete kargo se bokere ba chamo bakora competition ekiga ekero keria okubwekani na bwegero kuriria matemu ari makoro na matemu ayayiga agoniga tofauti keroro na boigo mbuya kibororo na boigo bobeki borarase ensemo ya matemu
litangani a system ya saite bwati matem, it's not an examination oriented system. Ikine geto timbe timbe ndanye bike gusia bagusi baranganchere kegaro no batebye semanganande sigeso. It is not an examination oriented system. It's not like the former system that we had. The former system we are engaged fully exams oriented. In fact, key success was based on how many questions you answer correct during the KCSE examination. If you answer the questions wrong, you are deemed to be a failure in life. In fact,
social studies 90.
Yes.
At least 70%.
But now, was that system looking at the fact that umuntu yokugwa matem has a potential in doing something else? It didn't have that chance. So, okonyoranga umuntu naro otaligo soma pi. Lakini ilitukuliria matem wale mambi they transnite bakora matem bakoraki. Lakini nandi naro konyoro mongaini amatemu ale mambi oruara lero nkiao cha okora amatemu ne serikali
very disadvantage.
So ebintu binebyo ebyale nkolete kintu kiri bakoronga wastage because even primary school mete nande school the former primary schools twabwate iko chiare ko prepare umwanafunzi kuchia secondary school onto yango teke mo igore mangana curriculum international standards iko bagote yanga. Primary schools are not supposed to invest in preparing students, or say pupils, to do what? To secondary school education. You go prepare for the world of work. Go skills in sa. Skills so that go chikoenda say senior school yere prevocational kwa nyoranga bono kwa twalire mwelekeo. So that kugocha kwenda say university kunya kugocha kuchio because mostly abanafunzi bange ba ku grade 12 babona tekwanda gukora university because abande ba eru skills chisaine akukora kurwalia nda gukora gas
nyane chigastia cyamaboko.
Yes, so the examination system ya sai SRCBC is very different. Style matemwa aliya makora alenge ukomaki gwate ya 90% umuntu yuetire. So abantu bamaitenga nabo ko ibero nyo 90%. Yere pass mark na pass mark 90 ko ibero nyo 90%. Bali batari ko nyara ko access into byo ko ibera ba nyora less than average so baba deemed ko ba failures.
Ngakiende nere twakaroriro ko nyora na nabo omworokiwa agweto bya se class kirige 12 nyora kwa manya ko nyora no bwire course ya medicine go engineering.
Yes.
Kago cha gwika igoro rende na uchira gusomera ubunya gitari matukabira 3 mweguna nigasitaga difa nigasitaga chenjie course asenge ncho a grade kiae nkiriko gendana ne course eri
yakora bono that is a very also big problem to abwate sa system ali enkoro because it was konya bible in fact even the current system iko togote ya bible baitongana ki let us not be accustomed into the examination system. Nto base kubeka akile itomono focus samangana matem
Actually, no tete tema temu akore class 3 tulikuwa na
class
4.
Yes, that one is what we call wastage. Esa mangana primary education na secondary education. Mwanafunzi, why should somebody atikumaya? Chinse chinde, by the way, they have come up with a way of reducing wastage. Koiro rankoyo buna Ghana, by the way. That's why even Kenya tu achakete system ya 100% transition. It was not there. Epa achakete ngana ki abanafunzi wono, there is no reason why montago tigara maiga. Tigo mwanafunzi ga okole school, but now there is other ways. Chiranchiro chinyinge chi serikali chinde use serikali ya Kenya era basa kokonya banafunzi aba ku go through wastage, because also collegially analysis even from 2012 to 2022 around there abanafunzi abange ba korete KCPE, a good number like 90% of the students went to the high school. The rest did not. Ugoche high school kwanyora banafunzi, within that gap around 90% also went, 10% did not go. So the 10% in transition koru high school which is university na koru primary school which is high school, the wastage, that number yes, the government is supposed to look at that value. Erigelingana ki ngakira konya bana balia. There are so many ways chinse chinde chigocha nchiro chibwate bano ba 100% transition baro ba chire ne system get ungraded, so that mwanafunzi na drop out of school, he can proceed, he can study at his own pace. Yani nabako ende school akosoma kulingana ne chi okuganikwa speed elia na bako akonja mbale ba retire system get HTV bale babwa HTV kenyoroime abo mwana wikananso, so that at least psychology competence bako bateto mwana atwale iko chire key to the future of the world.
Okay.
Unabono numeracy abanafunzi tata mpaka saa hii okwenda kwanya muntama yete ko barakende noneji sabu muntambanyeti. There are so many things abanafunzi babwende kwegwa from the lower classes, so that they can about kuikayosia kwanya no muntu informed.
Okay.
Yes.
Asense muyene ngwa kwanere igoro unakero murubiri yo rwo chaka na bwe kuru mwako 2000 gocha no nyina se uburayibu abono mbabreta mwana public participation.
Yes.
Eri okonyore birengere kurwa so muibuli na erena kiaraga ni murubiri yo chigwikiraniwa. Lakini yakase ense muyene kero murubiri yo chigocha ukaigwana umubaru wa bayibori abangi na abakenya kiujumula na number 1 mba chite kuborigwa igoro yo murubiri yo yiga na kwerere kwa eresire na ki public participation ya bakarite. Lakini onekero murubiri yo chakire ba ukaigubona mangana mbaborire number 1 iguru yo muroberi yo number 2 nigo bagotebana n'umuzigo omone na sebare ngakie nengwe gwete na abandi bakaruta muchingo ka abandi bakabagore bichiko gocha so kwalenga no mukenyu kawaida uri umanyete na kagende konda kagendo nyorebeza shilingi 200 einebesa agocaragire familia yae bono asense meyende nabo gakane school fees muzigo ndo soirega igana ki ebintu mbire bigane ibibire bitatu irwikira ni umuroberi nabo gokonya umoroki wakonyora amaigerio nabo igo ase ense moyende abayibori abange gwikira boni bado mbarama nyumurubiri oyegana ki ogokora emirimo igo ni bintu bitatu gochikweraneri kiujumla mbarama nyana ki umurubiri oyoyiga gokora emirimo so libori eriko bana ine serikali yaimukire getambukiro kumanyu muibori na kiburonge na umurubiri yo gokorekana nigori igana nekene kikigana gokorekana gose nigo chagete na nduka gendera tugashyumu na ki igo kigo chaka abana kibamanyete barabwa sesemo yabo bayibori buta lazima ndabwo bamanyana kikigana gokorekana.
Public participation anytime utete gukora ese utete ko implement anything again back is it piloting or something. Public participation also correlates the presidential working party on education reforms. The document they have listed the number of schools vachiete. They have listed the number of stakeholders. In fact, they even went into what school into what faith-based schools, Chia Catholic, sponsored the SDA. So when you go there, you also need to go to the church. You ask them about these things. They did town hall meetings, and they recorded the numbers. Interview, they were recording number ya gune liari not number they were giving a code so everybody they complained a lot about these things, but the system is going to be very expensive. But let me tell you something. What is so expensive than ko so mwana ta konyoragas Why should you invest in an education system that is going to you spend a lot of money that you will not be able to get it back? Serikali through the Presidential Working Party on Education Reforms, they did their part. They went to so many places. This is not something that, and we know, they never asked me a question. But I've gone to the indeed, these people research, because that's why I was calling after they decided, especially the junior school, primary school, because that was the need of the parents who are nini. So to some extent, the system is very expensive. It's true, because right now, parents are part and parcel of the growth process of the education. Lazima mwalimu au abwatana no mwanafunzi amono moiboli elindeba konyu mwanafunzi olia. Yes, so you cannot avoid it. So there is no way, there is no system. And also, by the way, abantu abange baganya kupinga n'abantu batarara kora mangana research sa mangana education. Kenya was the only country remaining at a competence-based curriculum. Into Tualenge in the only system Yamatem. So in as much as it's expensive, it is a very good system, and their fruits will be seen. There will be challenges. There is no system where no need for chaka. It had challenge system where enkoro na kibo ntoko chakoba. Ngocha koletere wastage, ngocha koletere go senki, but at the end of the day, abantu bakanyenara. It had its own no na matemo abantu used to pay. Abantu ngo kana balenga matem. By the way, in terms of expenses, especially esamangana matem eliego chanda bante kenyorobone gazi kuchikwaerere, because right now there is no exam that is done by abanafunzi oliba CBC wakana na bible itakeire, because matem
na class ke 12 ase matem kerekira for example uyo koirora gocherwa kana around 6000 ababande around 4000 lakini serikali yate tena yachake kurusila secho
no tali boigo wono sai bintu bune byo koirora mbiyo, because umwanafunzi either or exceed the expectation or approach the expectation or so meet the expectation because are below expectation. That is what is going to happen.
Karabu atirego turara simle chiduka sebono na boigo tukwirana tukandira gukwanira ayanda mange nsoko TV uburoso bwomugusi naraliya arikura sensemo yichiduka.
Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi Kurumucho mwanu Nairobi, Kisii, Nyamira n'ekingongo kindi cy'ensi ya Kenya abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira y'obwikirano emanya mange nabo igobwatira Nensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities, and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently, we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721511500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Twaichanire kurarigo kwa Joseph Mugaka Nyakieya igaru mwana Nyagusira Daudi Nyamali Nyakieya na Nyagusira Jemi Manyalinda kurwe kinyoru kya Nyabaria Urioba Magwagwa county ya Nyamira igaru Mugaka oye Evelyn Ndubi igari Sabrit Mora na Masi Bahati mumuro mwabo Nyagusira Nyanchama Helena Daniel Nyagusira Nduko Aska Josephine Bitutu Vierera Raini Liro na Nyagusira Kimuma Nisemoke Margaret John Nancy Lynette Amos Bob, Maina, Alex, Brian, Dolphin, Lilian, Vivian, Emmanuel, Egatia Bande, Nginarome Dorika, Lamek, Gilbert, Anunda, Maggie, Joseph, Esther, Chebet, Chepkoech, Kibet, Ann, Mokaya, Mogire, Egatia Bande. Umuchango bugukora ebill ya Nyagetari. Nigora kolekane litukulia Jumaine, sitaliki 14 chomutenyoyo bumwaka oyo asenka yaye ya Nyabaria Urioba na Boigo ase chiro ya Magwagwa. Oyonde nokolekane Jumapili ya sitaliki 12 chomutenyo kane bumwaka oyo ensema ya Tasi ya Makuti Nairobi Aboige Mpakasi village Juakali imeyomo cho Nairobi. Litukulia kwa niwa kwaye ndila ligwe ngora. Okuo nugukwa twararirie kwa Joseph Mugaka Nyakieya.
Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Karibu nende hasensemo iyega ya gatatu kerokere tugendera tukumurikira yabwatikene na ichisemi machoka nigo twatigira ase twargo kwanira ase kwerera iguru yensemeria ya we public participation tubate nsemo yende yokuligerera iguru yumubaro bwabari mubaroro gose mubaro aba kerokuliria aborokiwa bari baroro ase ngencho buna bona so mwaka uyoiga oeta because this is the first time twatwarinde kuna senior secondary school. This is the first time nabo kerokuliria mubaro bwabana bari bakorete kurwa ase omwaka oli nabo kuliana no mubaro getu gita to around 200,000 plus gocha abuna bwo bagane baswete bone tubata senseme yiga ya senior secondary kerokuliria omubaro bwabana no mubaro bwaborokia bara abarimu nigo konyorana ratio iteri kogenda na buya abo nyone serikali ka utabana negendera tekulika abarimu webaye nigerengete kuchia kwa nekina nyona abarimu 100,000 plus nkori kubare eriko konya so murubiri oyiga OCBC ekero tugukwanira igoro y'abarimu nabo igona aborokiwe ko kuri umubaro bwaborokiwe bari baroro no mubaro bw'abarimu eresheyo kogenda nere
tiganda rago tegentekemo abantu abange bawukibeba no there is a recommended standard y'abanafunzi per class abantu bawukibeba by the party sana the recommended number per class but is it East African Union something or World Bank which is normally focused on amangana education kukora amangana research about the minimum number or the maximum number of students per class supposed to be 45 per class.
Igotara class kibate 60.
Bona mtetora cha kirabu.
Unagusitira kwa nyare birasi bibwate paka 60 ekemo.
I know even in Nairobi birasi binge bibwate 70 60 we'll talk about that but the recommended number even to cover 45. That is a standard number umwalimu yo mawende ko work on. But bono ekere president ya lenge 2022 ekere president ya kurigile mangana CBC the issue of teachers also came up. Mbata geta abalimu because the numbers are going to increase and the system is changing, so for us to meet the amangana ya CBC you must be able to have teachers, a good number of teachers. Serikali ekaligerelie kanyore deficit ya balimu ya lingi because research meto even the beyond you have to do plan, you have to plan. People went to the ground baka analyze bakali chi school ile ngatubugate na nago tie number chi primary school bakali abanafunzi Kenya ngimambale ngatubugate, then they calculated how many teachers we need to achieve a ratio here 45:1, or maybe a good number, maybe 30:1 or something. Previously serikali ya Kenya did a very good job. Oskole junior school for the past around 2 years babere bakolika balimu abange sana junior school. So right now we may not be having a ratio is not a very big problem as of now.
Lakini kwegura balimu abange bagotabana ase wiki because especially ase baria batumetwe gukia nabona chisemo chireto kuratabana chiago chisemi arids nabo igo una Garissa guchikilifi Tana River guchimaria okuigwana ni go mwarimu oyo mabati lesson up to 40 to 45 usete 40 to 50 per week abo ase kawaida mwarimu tayo kanirwe kachilesson chinga une chibona kwanyorana umwarimu nigatikete umuzigo mwanene because yako minyokani na chilesson chiga chonspi by the time a week yakwera gusigo ikomwerwe wiki igagani iriko ikobana osomere chilesson chiga chonsi pia 50 ya mubero umuzigo nabo igo nonye numubero gwikana kianyorana bono nyonero monyene nigaro sete nagani iriko kolike so yabana no muzigo
na maene tinde tigo kwana buno mwana siasa lero igo ndete kwana buno muntu someto maite binte binga kibikoenda na maene there's some places to what challenges
chikoro kwana hardship
places to what kiera ditangani none karo kora advertisement bali mbangi bagotaka ku apply chi school chire na hardship places osikuru bina bono northeastern osikwenda ororo okonyora it's true umwalimu yo mana babwate ratio y'abanafunzi no 70 in a class because osikobeke advertisement bali mbachigori gichigasi yalia okonyora nganaki bali mbakuru kusiba babo to bugima bwabo. So emechando bune ye menge nabeko garanto nyara ko implement go se CBC nyara go achieve chi goals chirichia better intended go achieve, but into base konye rubbish because of that. The point is ekere CBC ye kuligera ligubuya tusuko twara resources na funding ekorubia tutwara balimu abange bakoenda kisukuru echi, we will have a very good system of education. Yes.
Ase mo yebirasi karo toro chicho kolera ro kwikiraboni ngakore ngano murayibwense nigo barigete kuchikwaga chibirasi up to around 23,000 classrooms ibirasi byebiganira kwaga chine binde kwakwalirwa mu nchiro lya sibiri pia yakorwere gocha nabego nyone na sense media yechi laboratory kare to kwanira igoro yamangana yamagacho bona
ebirasi mbibwate challenge. Remember school there was a confusion ekere serikali yarenge nago timu chakanonga before system yetaraba implemented serikali iliye Uhuru Kenyatta kwenye ya ligere ya tebirangana ki junior school echikoba domicile yase ki senior school is a secondary school the current secondary schools lakini katika bira ekere public participation ya chiko korwa aba Kenya bagate anduta gitiba nafunzi baitu bakoleki. But you know, money was spent. Chipes chikaka no chikagaje birasi binge sana. Aba osoko
bikagaje side ere wrong.
Yes, bikagaje side ere wrong. So abebuli bono chipes chia tumetuo almost 3 million to all the schools in all public secondary schools in Kenya. Kire school ya chipes chinyinge sana chuko gaje school. Bono bakamanyo chabaka chinji batengana ki system ibono teko nyara ukora kasi ase mtoko beka banafunzi yabwa ase secondary school katobeke maatega. So a problem we got because one mathematics stoko barite. Remember kare mwana kare akore class 8 igaga sokire kwalile one you need an extra class because abanafunzi bale bakuru mathematics bagocha go occupy the class 8 the former, so abande ngai bagochi. So you needed to have that need. So there was that confusion, but nande serikali has been doing a good work ba ngoagacha bari class. I've seen even ba coordinating na CDF and some other organization kwagacha birasi binge sana SG school chi primary school so that go accommodate even the labs. This school jai nyinge nchi bwata baka labs. Chitabu gate bono school chi primary school chi nyinge especially in Nairobi chi nyinge nchi bwata chi lab. Kale gaba de ki you share buna bono chi school chi elisabu. I know they have not gotten that standard. But chi school jinge elisabu batabuga tie lab. Mwanafunzi wa grade 8 by the way grade 9 na bwende ko ende lab. Ni ile bantu be elisabu I'm sure ambara manyamanganai. They should insist that their member of parliament Alice Kenyoro agache a lab ere fully equipped eresi secondary gosabe ke yema se primary school so zia banafunzi balia ebinte binge bale gosomese high school form 1 form 2 iko bako bisoma grade 8 and grade 9 because the system has changed bono nyamba bugati lab kera bacha goche senior school bado mbao cha konyora kende bao cha koranga ni chingananga ni baruchi because imbara to experience kya mangane lab
yes asense mwene kake tuguchokorera no nyina ase engana yago yo mwerio chi sector nchirekero ukoligereria niguga ni kubeka abantu babwato bumanyi ase sector yo sector number 1 nayo bochenu kwara iguru baotebana bochenu toka ni kubeka muntu tamaityo bumanyi goro yo bochenu chi semine ensemo yende yabwo asokonyorana eminganyeroro konyera mukenya otebana mu waziri yo bekirega tabwati bumanyi bonde bwensi igoro yamangana y'ikisemi the last time yakorekanete bo engakirie kwara igoro bakubweka ni Dr. Fred Matiang'i George Magoa nengakiyo korana kisemi ibintu mbya temete gokorekana lakini ase engakie yabona supra ibwa bono menganyi neroro sana asaba waziri bari babekirwe gutenera sensemo y'ikisemi asukwereneria inse yensa yedakika ya moyoka
na maene andi ndakwirene mega kaigongoteye gentekemo the problem tubwate Kenya ga kintu kirugonga skill mismatch etogosomia banafunzi university tuabasomi gukole course gete lakini gogoika sikoga
kwaba emerememe
ngao kwarolile nande serikali ya Kenya esa mangana CBC nebwente kuligelie genteki sana so that at least ekere university unabone ya Nairobi egosomia banafunzi abange Because to what a lot of almost 78 university right now to what Kenya. She wants to go course by the way, my lecturer told me recently, we don't even need to have 78 universities in Kenya because all these universities you go almost the same things. So why can't we have one big university so that we fund that place? So we need to have what we call skill match. A university is supposed to go to the job market, to the market. Erigerelingana ki ngasi kichira. Chikoenanwa abanafunzi baje ku university bachikokora. So that to wasiko somye abanafunzi abange bachikoenda ku crowd gali. Another thing also call chize chinyinge. Sahi njiri kweni encourage abanafunzi bachikoenda university mono. Because somede ebako te abanafunzi ngenda chitivate because right now we need skill based people abantu babugate chi skills abantu babugate bumanyigete bukorosie bintu so ngakie serikali ra akore achieve bintu bunebyo ndase ko bategenda amangana abiri number 1 enyi serikali ya Kenya getagete ko achieve abanafunzi abange babe skill number 1 tigebe ke chibe chinyinge ase chitivate chibasa ari tigachiruwe si university mono chigende si chitivate gosinye bakobeka babeke chinyingali another thing anya tivate tebu ati prestige mete waralimbolinga university ngochi that ka prestige tigere the course chiri chonse pikirali echibeka sa diploma level as a university umuntu nabako University of Nairobi kokora igweno wande Nairobi University is a very good also strategy
kinyo mwana gochi komate ino genda college usetivate
orani kwa mocha oranga kwa mocha so those are the strategies serikali went kuligera so that echiko k numbers and so enebwente ku encourage abanafunzi abange ba focus samangana agriculture Kenya kunyagache turatumika esamangana agriculture that is the only way so another thing kwamba olini goro ya omosike
sekunde kumchoko
omosike aba mngwana batoko egasi batai konyara amagosto uchi twakora Kenya iko uchi twaligeli politics monokobwa productivity tubento ligeli yo mu Kenya uso Kenya nabange basomete bono iga abange babwato bumanyi bwamangana education abana bwato bumanyi bwana ikisemi ekero to ko umuntu utasomere ibintu ebi tamanye tinki kegenderete ensalia igago chikomislead aba Kenya so we need ko advise president yetu ya Kenya nga in future onekera bacho gukora appointments tigabaligereri bawo monte gasi at least yegento monta asomberete a perfect tibya none karago chiromo kungolia maswali na amaitenga kya correspond yes thank you
yamana mwancho morigeria lya soko bwate nkwana eyega uyo no muchaga no kwanira mangana yechisemi taliora omwere kolende ewiki yego cha ritkoria alhamisa botuko cyakera chinsa isato ntucho kwanira mangana yega yechisemi ase obwagara sabona ngo twari kubeka oboroso kurwa mutomerane ewiki yego cha ritkoria alhamisa chinsa ni isato cyabutuko eryogo kwanira hamangana bwatikere n'ikisemi ase obwagare endera gotangere 20 atigere ase ritkorigima asabona abuno tuwikira omwere ritriane Ishmael Mogere
Soko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.